Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4. Okay, 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 and 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. Now 1 divided by 1 gives us 1, but this answer is not correct. As we know, when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. So 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and now 1 divided by 4 gives us 1 over 4. Now 1 over 4 divided by 4. According to the KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So, keep first fraction 1 over 4, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction 4 over 1, 1 over 4. So, we have one fraction. 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 4 times 4 gives us 16. So, the final answer is 1 over 16. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.